This is an audiobook. Do you think that artificial intelligence, AI, can replace humans? In this video, I will give you 7 good reasons why this idea is not perfectly true. If you are an artist, musician, academician, creator, author, and so on, keep perfecting on yourself, because AI cannot replace humans even in the nearest future. Though, AI can enhance our creativity in careers that we are in love with, but many people are still confused on how this AI can help them, while some are already using them to enhance their work and profession. Remember, the world still has a lot of people that want to become rich without putting in the effort. So, you are still an advantage in your profession. Do not forget to let me know about your thoughts in the comment section. Let's start with the first one. The first reason AI cannot replace humans is creativity. AI can mimic patterns and generate new solutions based on data, but it cannot truly create something entirely new like humans can. Creativity is a complex and multifaceted aspect of human intelligence, involving a range of cognitive, emotional, and social processes. Here are some of the key dimensions of creativity in humans. 1. Novelty. Creativity involves the ability to come up with new and original ideas that haven't been seen or thought of before. This requires a high degree of imagination and divergent thinking, which involves generating multiple ideas and possibilities. 2. Originality. Creativity also involves the ability to create something that is unique and original, rather than simply copying or imitating something that already exists. This requires the ability to think outside the box and come up with unconventional solutions to problems. 3. Flexibility. Creativity also requires the ability to adapt and change course when faced with challenges or obstacles. This requires a high degree of flexibility and openness to new ideas and perspectives. 4. Persistence. Creativity also requires persistence and a willingness to keep working on an idea even when it's not immediately successful. This requires a high degree of motivation and perseverance, even in the face of setbacks and failures. 5. Expertise. Creativity is also closely tied to expertise and knowledge in a particular domain. Experts in a particular field are often able to come up with more creative solutions to problems because they have a deeper understanding of the field and its underlying principles. 6. Emotion. Creativity is also tied to emotional experiences, such as inspiration, excitement, and curiosity. These emotions can help fuel the creative process and motivate individuals to pursue their ideas and passions. Overall, creativity is a complex and multifaceted aspect of human intelligence that involves a range of cognitive, emotional, and social processes. While there is still much that we don't know about creativity, understanding these dimensions can help us better appreciate and nurture creativity in ourselves and others. The second reason AI cannot replace humans is emotional intelligence. Humans have emotions, empathy, and social skills that allow us to communicate and connect with others on a deep level. AI lacks the emotional intelligence to replicate these human skills. Emotional intelligence refers to the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions and the emotions of others. It involves a range of cognitive and behavioral skills, as well as social awareness and empathy. Here are some of the key dimensions of emotional intelligence in humans. 1. Self-awareness. Emotional intelligence starts with self-awareness, which involves recognizing our own emotions and their impact on our thoughts, behavior, and decisions. This requires the ability to monitor our own emotional states and understand how they affect our interactions with others. 2. Self-regulation. Emotional intelligence also involves the ability to regulate our own emotions, impulses, and behaviors. This includes the ability to manage stress, control our impulses, and stay focused on our goals, even in challenging situations. 3. Motivation. Emotional intelligence also involves motivation and the ability to stay committed to our goals, even in the face of obstacles and setbacks. This requires a high degree of resilience, perseverance, and self-motivation. 4. Empathy. Emotional intelligence also involves the ability to understand and empathize with the emotions and experiences of others. This requires the ability to tune into others' feelings and perspectives, and to respond with sensitivity and compassion. 5. Social skills. Emotional intelligence also involves a range of social skills, such as communication, collaboration, and conflict resolution. This includes the ability to build and maintain positive relationships, manage interpersonal dynamics, and work effectively in teams. Overall, emotional intelligence is a key aspect of human intelligence that is critical for success in both personal and professional contexts. By developing our emotional intelligence, we can better understand ourselves and others, manage our emotions effectively, and build stronger and more productive relationships. The third reason AI cannot replace humans is common sense. Humans have a built-in common sense that allows us to make quick decisions and judgments based on our experiences and intuition. AI can be programmed to make decisions based on data, but it may not always be able to apply common sense. Common sense refers to the practical wisdom and sound judgment that people use in their everyday lives to navigate various situations. It is a combination of innate knowledge, experience, and learned behavior that allows people to make reasonable decisions in different circumstances. Here are some common sense traits that are typically found in humans. 1. Observant. People with common sense are observant and pay attention to the details in their surroundings. They notice things that others might overlook, and this helps them make informed decisions. 2. Logical. Common sense also involves the ability to think logically and rationally. This means being able to analyze a situation objectively and make sound judgments based on the available information. 3. Pragmatic. People with common sense tend to be pragmatic, meaning that they are practical and realistic in their approach to problem solving. They look for practical solutions that can be implemented easily and efficiently. 4. Adaptable. Common sense also involves the ability to adapt to new situations and circumstances. People with common sense are flexible and can adjust their thinking and behavior to meet the demands of different situations. 5. Empathetic. Common sense also involves having empathy and understanding for other people. This means being able to put oneself in another person's shoes and see things from their perspective. 6. Intuitive. People with common sense also tend to have good intuition or gut instincts. They are able to sense when something is not right and make decisions accordingly. 7. Patient. Common sense also involves being patient and not rushing into decisions. People with common sense take the time to weigh their options and consider the consequences of their actions. In summary, common sense is a combination of practical wisdom, experience, and learned behavior that allows people to make informed decisions and navigate different situations. It involves being observant, logical, pragmatic, adaptable, empathetic, intuitive, and patient. The fourth reason AI cannot replace humans is physical dexterity. AI lacks the physical dexterity of humans, which is required for many tasks, such as cleaning, cooking, and handling delicate objects. Physical dexterity refers to the ability to perform coordinated movements with agility, speed, and precision. It involves the use of fine and gross motor skills to manipulate objects and perform complex movements. Here are some physical dexterity traits that are typically found in humans. 1. Hand-eye coordination. Physical dexterity involves good hand-eye coordination, which is the ability to coordinate visual information with hand movements. This is crucial in activities such as sports, playing musical instruments, and surgery. 2. Fine motor skills. Physical dexterity also involves good fine motor skills, which refer to the ability to manipulate small objects with precision using the fingers and hands. Examples include typing, sewing, and painting. 3. Gross motor skills. Physical dexterity also involves good gross motor skills, which refer to the ability to control large muscles and perform movements such as running, jumping, and throwing. 4. Balance. Physical dexterity also involves good balance, which is the ability to maintain an upright posture while performing various movements. This is important in activities such as dance, gymnastics, and yoga. 5. Flexibility. Physical dexterity also involves good flexibility, which is the ability to move the joints through a full range of motion. This is important in activities such as martial arts, ballet, and gymnastics. 6. Strength. Physical dexterity also involves good strength, which is the ability to generate force using the muscles. This is important in activities such as weightlifting, rock climbing, and martial arts. 7. Reaction time. Physical dexterity also involves good reaction time, which is the ability to respond quickly to a stimulus. This is important in activities such as sports, driving, and emergency response. In summary, physical dexterity involves the use of fine and gross motor skills to perform coordinated movements with agility, speed, and precision. It involves good hand-eye coordination, fine and gross motor skills, balance, flexibility, strength, and reaction time. These skills are important in various activities and professions that require physical dexterity. The fifth reason AI cannot replace humans is adaptability. Humans are able to adapt to new situations and environments quickly and easily, whereas AI requires a significant amount of programming and training to adjust to changes. Adaptability refers to the ability to adjust to changing situations, environments, and circumstances. It involves being flexible and able to respond to new challenges and opportunities. Here are some adaptability traits that are typically found in humans. 1. Open-mindedness. Adaptability involves having an open mind and being receptive to new ideas and perspectives. This allows people to consider alternative approaches and solutions to problems. 2. Resilience. Adaptability also involves being resilient and able to bounce back from setbacks and failures. This involves a positive attitude and a willingness to learn from mistakes. 3. Problem solving. Adaptability involves being able to solve problems creatively and adapt to new situations. This requires good critical thinking skills and the ability to make quick decisions. 4. Curiosity. Adaptability also involves being curious and willing to learn new things. This allows people to stay up to date with new developments and trends in their field. 5. Communication. Adaptability also involves good communication skills, which are crucial in a constantly changing environment. This includes being able to communicate effectively with colleagues, clients, and stakeholders. 6. Emotional intelligence. Adaptability also involves good emotional intelligence, which allows people to manage their own emotions and understand the emotions of others. This helps in building positive relationships and navigating complex situations. 7. Time management. Adaptability also involves good time management skills, which are important in managing competing priorities and deadlines. This involves being able to prioritize tasks and manage time effectively. In summary, adaptability involves being flexible and able to adjust to changing situations, environments, and circumstances. It involves open-mindedness, resilience, problem-solving, curiosity, communication, emotional intelligence, and time management skills. These skills are important in a constantly changing world and can help people navigate new challenges and opportunities in their personal and professional lives. The sixth reason AI cannot replace humans is ethics and morals. Humans have a sense of ethics and morals that guide our decision-making and behavior. AI lacks this sense of morality and cannot make ethical decisions on its own. Ethics and morals refer to the principles and values that guide people's behavior and decision-making. They provide a framework for distinguishing right from wrong and good from bad. Here are some ethics and morals traits that are typically found in humans. 1. Honesty. Ethics and morals involve honesty and integrity, which involve being truthful and transparent in one's actions and communications. 2. Fairness. Ethics and morals involve fairness, which involves treating people equitably and impartially, without bias or discrimination. 3. Respect. Ethics and morals involve respect for others, which involves treating people with dignity, empathy, and compassion. 4. Responsibility. Ethics and morals involve responsibility, which involves being accountable for one's actions and decisions and taking responsibility for their consequences. 5. Trustworthiness. Ethics and morals involve trustworthiness, which involves being reliable and dependable in one's commitments and promises. 6. Courage. Ethics and morals involve courage, which involves standing up for one's beliefs and values, even in the face of opposition or adversity. 7. Citizenship. Ethics and morals involve being a responsible citizen, which involves contributing to the common good of society and respecting the laws and regulations of one's community. In summary, ethics and morals involve a set of principles and values that guide people's behavior and decision-making. They include honesty, fairness, respect, responsibility, trustworthiness, courage, and citizenship. These traits are important in building trust, fostering positive relationships, and creating a just and equitable society. And the seventh reason AI cannot replace humans is intuition. Humans have intuition, which allows us to make decisions based on a feeling or hunch, even if we cannot explain it rationally. AI cannot replicate this human ability. Intuition refers to the ability to understand or know something without conscious reasoning or evidence. It involves a sense of knowing that is beyond rational thought and is often based on past experiences, feelings, or instincts. Here are some intuition traits that are typically found in humans. 1. Gut feeling. Intuition involves trusting one's gut feeling or instinct, which is a deep-seated feeling that guides one's decision-making. 2. Emotional intelligence. Intuition involves good emotional intelligence, which allows people to read others' emotions and understand their motives and intentions. 3. Empathy. Intuition involves empathy, which is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. This allows people to connect with others on a deeper level and build positive relationships. 4. Creativity. Intuition involves creativity, which is the ability to think outside the box and come up with new and innovative ideas. This involves tapping into one's imagination and intuition to solve problems and generate new solutions. 5. Pattern recognition. Intuition involves pattern recognition, which is the ability to identify patterns and connections between seemingly unrelated things. This allows people to make connections and find solutions that may not be immediately obvious. 6. Mindfulness. Intuition involves mindfulness, which is the ability to be present in the moment and aware of one's thoughts and feelings. This allows people to be more in tune with their intuition and make better decisions. 7. Spirituality. Intuition involves spirituality, which is a sense of connection to something larger than oneself. This allows people to tap into a higher consciousness and gain insights and guidance from beyond the rational mind. In summary, intuition involves the ability to understand or know something without conscious reasoning or evidence. It involves trusting one's gut feeling or instinct, good emotional intelligence, empathy, creativity, pattern recognition, mindfulness, and spirituality. These traits can be developed and honed through practice and can be useful in various situations, such as decision-making, problem-solving, and interpersonal relationships. In conclusion, you can see from the 7 reasons that AI may be able to perform some tasks that were previously thought to be exclusive to humans, but there are still many areas where human intelligence and abilities are irreplaceable. Please add more to this list in the comment section. And next time someone is worried about AI replacing their source of income, well, just send them this audiobook. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more audios like this. I will see you in the next video.